How to connect Gmail account and your Outlook account. Connect your Gmail account to Outlook allows you to manage emails, contacts, and calendars from both platforms in one place, improving organization and productivity. You can connect your Gmail account by clicking this Add Account link here. If you don't see this link here, you need to click the Settings gear icon in the top bar. And next, click the Add Account button in the pop-up window. Here, enter your Gmail account and continue the process. And next, allow all permissions to sync Gmail with Microsoft Cloud. In this page, select the Gmail account. If you are not signed into your Gmail account, you will have to sign in. I have signed in already. Next, click Continue with the process. And in this page, click the checkbox Select All and Continue. And done. Here it is. The Gmail account has been connected with Outlook. Now we can read emails, compose emails, and send to other from within Outlook, like we do in Gmail account, without entering Gmail account. This brings us to the end of this video. Please like my video, share your ideas in comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.